Self-consciously. Self-consciously is an adverb that describes the state of being aware of oneself or one's actions in a way that may cause discomfort or awkwardness. It refers to a heightened sense of consciousness or self-awareness that can manifest in various situations. When someone is self-conscious, they are often overly concerned about how they are perceived by others, leading to a feeling of unease or self-doubt. This can be related to one's appearance, behavior, or even their abilities. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of self-consciously. 1. Appearance. She walked into the party self-consciously, constantly adjusting her dress and checking her hair in the mirror. He felt self-consciously aware of his braces, avoiding smiling or speaking too much. 2. Behavior. The new student answered the teacher's question self-consciously, fearing judgment from their classmates. The actor performed self-consciously in their first play, constantly aware of the audience's gaze. 3. Abilities. He played the piano self-consciously in front of the crowd, worried about making mistakes. She self-consciously presented her artwork, unsure if it would be appreciated by others. In each of these examples, the individuals are aware of themselves and their actions in a way that makes them uncomfortable or uneasy. They may feel self-conscious due to perceived flaws, fear of judgment, or a lack of confidence.